I'm walking into a place that shouldn't exist. It's cool underground, a little damp, and every sound turns epic, like my footsteps suddenly have reverb. There's a faint glow up ahead, and the air smells like stone and history. Then the ceiling opens into a forest of marble columns, hundreds of them, mirrored in a thin sheet of water so the whole room looks doubled, like you're inside a dream someone forgot to wake up from. Istanbul hides these old Roman Byzantine cisterns right under the streets. This one is now an art gallery. Ancient engineering meets modern imagination. The first piece hits me with pure silence, just light breathing across columns, turning them from amber to deep ocean blue. Every color changes the mood of the entire room, like the walls are exhaling. A sound installation kicks in, low, watery notes that seem to arrive from behind you even when no one's there. I pass a column base, shaped like Medusa, eyes down, hair frozen. A narrow beam of light makes the snake shadows creep across the water like they're alive. Is it spooky? A little? Is it awesome? Absolutely. What I love is how the art doesn't fight the cistern. It listens to it. Reflections become part of the piece. Drips become percussion. Even your whisper adds to the track. A corridor opens to a kinetic sculpture, rings of light that rise and fall with the humidity. Rings mapping the breadth of the room. I stand there too long, watching the ceiling stars redraw themselves on the floor. Here's the twist. Above ground, it's just a normal street. Cafes, traffic. One staircase down and time folds. Empire to gallery in 10 seconds. If you ever think you've done Istanbul, try looking under it. Bring quiet shoes. Don't rush. Let the city tell you a secret. Echoes. Light. The softest ripple of water. And when you climb back up, the sunlight feels different, like you borrowed a piece of the underground and tucked it in your pocket.